Hello friends, we will discuss and learn about the ultrasound guided ascitic tapping. This is a case of a 30-year-old female who presented with anorexia, weight loss and decreased appetite. There was no obvious reason in biochemical test and laboratory test, so we did the ultrasound followed by the CT scan abdomen, which revealed the minimal ascites and omental thickening and perihepatic collection and few more findings of suggesting of abdominal couch. So for the confirmation of the diagnosis, we are doing the ascitic tapping, which is ultrasound guided.
थोड़ा सा नीचे कर रहा हूँ इसको
around 2 centimeters.
So after wearing the sterile gloves, the doctor will anesthetize the skin and the subcutaneous tissue so that the patient feels less pain. नहीं होगा
सुई का इंजेक्शन है ये
बस हो गया.
So the doctor is inserting the lignocaine, 2% lignocaine in the skin and the surrounding area where we have to do the tapping. So this is the ultra.
Go downwards and towards a bit downwards.
This is the ultrasound machine and the.
Medially जाओ, medially. हाँ, straight. जाओ.
The radiologist is showing us. This is the way of needle, right? And this is the area of fluid. As you can see, here is the minimal ascitic fluid, around 20 to 30 cc, and this is the way of the needle. I will show you how the needle is getting passed. As you can see, the ultrasound probe is there for the guidance of the needle. Now I am showing you the ultrasound guidance. We are going from here.
Needle है. This is the needle. जा रहा है. You put a full needle inside. Inside तो subcute नहीं तो दिखा रहा है. मतलब यहाँ तक ही आ रहा है. हाँ, टिक मूव करो.
This is the needle, no? So this is the way of needle.
पूरा गया ना, यहाँ तक दिखा रहा है.
वो लंबा ना चाहिए क्या
हाँ शायद.
थोड़ा सा बीच में जाना, तू लेटर ले जा रहा है. So we now using the lumbar puncture needle, and as you can see, Kartik वहीं पे रखना. This is the path of needle and this is the pocket of ascitic fluid, and as you can see, the tapping is being done nicely. The radiologist is guiding the probe and the
पॉकेट अभी खाली होगी.
this is the ascitic tapping, ultrasound guided. Once again I am showing you. This is the way of needle and this is the pouch which is showing less fluid because जो था वो तो हमने निकाल लिया वहाँ से. So as you can see, we have collected few around 8 to 10 ml of ascitic fluid for the analysis. Now we will send it for the ascitic fluid analysis. So we will do it for AFB staining, gram stain, and protein, albumin, sugar, ADA, and all those things that I have explained you earlier in another ascitic tapping video. Thank you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe.
एक मिनट ही है